Scene opens with a view of a bustling city. Narrator. In this fast-paced world, you need a phone that can keep up. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G, the ultimate smartphone for those who demand more. Cut to a close-up of the phone. The Galaxy S21 FE 5G is designed with power and performance in mind. With its lightning-fast 5G connectivity, you'll be able to stream your favorite content, download files, and stay connected with your friends and family at lightning-fast speeds. Cut to a montage of people using their phones for different tasks. Whether you're streaming the latest blockbuster movie, playing the newest mobile game, or just browsing the web, the Galaxy S21 FE 5G can handle it all with ease. Cut to a shot of a person taking a selfie with the phone, and with its high-resolution camera, you'll be able to capture every moment in stunning detail. Cut to a close-up of the camera. The Galaxy S21 FE 5G features a 32-megapixel front-facing camera and a triple-lens rear camera system, including a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 64-megapixel telephoto lens, so you can take professional-quality photos and videos wherever you go. Cut to a shot of a person using the phone in the rain, and with its water-resistant design, you won't have to worry about your phone getting damaged when you're out and about. Cut to a shot of the phone on a wireless charging pad. The Galaxy S21 FE 5G also features fast wireless charging capabilities, so you can keep your phone powered.